Today we have to see the polar and Euler form of a complex number. What is polar and Euler form, sir? Z is equal to, Z is equal to x plus iy is a given complex number. Next, the polar form. Polar form is Z is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. This is a polar form. R into cos theta plus I sin theta. How to calculate R? How to calculate theta? R is equal to square root of x square plus y square. This is the formula for finding the R value. Next, how to calculate theta, sir? Theta is equal to, some formulas are given. So first one, theta is equal to alpha vargala. Second one, theta is equal to pi minus alpha vargala. Or third one, theta is equal to alpha minus pi vargala. And fourth one, theta is equal to minus alpha vargala. So మొత్తం 4 value ఇలా. అదే సార్ 4 value. It lies in first quadrant. Lies in first quadrant. First quadrant ayunda in the answer. First quadrant ayunda in the format. ಇದಲ್ಲ. So polar formula first quadrant ayunda polar formula first quadrant ayunda theta oda value alpha vargala. Second quadrant ayunda theta oda value pi minus alpha. Third quadrant ayunda alpha minus pi. Fourth quadrant ayunda theta is equal to minus alpha. adana sir quadrant. So coordinate axis, x axis, y axis படிக்கிறோம்ல, இத anti clockwise direction ல choose பண்ணுங்க. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, this is the fourth quadrant. That is, இங்க x, y positive, இதுல x negative, y positive. இங்க ரெண்டுமே negative, x negative, y negative. இங்க x positive, y negative. கொடுத்திருக்க காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் நம்பர்ல வச்சு தான் டிசைட் பண்ண முடியும். So the given complex number lies in first quadrant or second quadrant or third quadrant or fourth quadrant. Using these quadrants, you have to calculate the theta value. Theta means this is what? This is argument of z. Argument of z is theta. அதாவது theta வந்து எப்படி இருக்கலாம்னா பையா இருக்கலாம் or adding 2k pi, multiple of, that is adding 2k pi இருக்கலாம். புரியுதுங்களா? அதுதான் நமக்கு polar form. Right sir? So how to find out the alpha value, sir? Alpha is equal to formula tan inverse of modulus of imaginary part divided by real part. ஏன்னா z is equal to x plus I y னு தெரியும். z is equal to x plus I y னால alpha is equal to tan inverse of modulus of y by x. இந்த ஃபார்முலாவை யூஸ் பண்ணி alpha கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு அதுக்கு அப்புறம் then you have to find the argument of the given complex number. Argument means theta. This theta value lies between minus pi to plus pi na. This is called principal argument. The ரெண்டு argument இருக்கு. Capital ARG of z போட்டா this is a principal argument. This is a principal argument. Value. Right? So this argument of z, small argument of z அப்படினா this is a multiple of, இது எப்படி இருக்குன்னா argument is adding multiple of 2 pi, multiple of 2 pi ஆட் பண்ணா என்ன இருக்குமோ அந்த கான்செப்ட்ல இருக்கும். ரைட்டுங்களா? சோ இதுதான் பிரின்சிபல் ஆர்குமென்ட்டும் ஆர்குமென்ட் உள்ள வித்தியாசம் பிரின்சிபல் ஆர்குமென்ட் அப்படினா பிரின்சிபல் ஆர்குமென்ட் lies between this minus 5 less than theta less than or equal to plus 5 இந்த கான்செப்ட் எழுதுனா this is called a principal argument. This is called a principal argument, right? This is a polar form. So therefore polar form of a complex number is r into cos theta plus I sin theta. This is a polar form. This is a polar form, right? And the next Euler form. What is Euler, sir? Euler introduced one concept. This is called a Euler form. So Euler means e power I theta. It is exponential format. E power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta. So for the given complex number, write in polar form, this Euler form now, z is equal to r into e power I theta. This e power I theta is called the Euler form. E power I theta is called the Euler form of a complex number. So z is equal to r into e power I theta. This is polar form. This is also called as a polar form. Euler formula we use பண்ணி வரது இதுவும் ஒரு polar form தான். ரைட்டுங்களா? Next arguments la some property. Arguments la என்ன சார் property na argument of z1 into z2. Argument of z1 into z2 is equal to argument of z1 plus argument of z2. Product of the two complex number argument வேணும் அப்படினா அது separating complex there is first complex number argument plus second complex number argument சேர்த்தோம்னா நமக்கு கிடைச்சிடும். இதே argument of z1 divided by z2 division format அப்படினா we have to apply the subtraction. Argument of z1 minus argument of z2. Argument of z1 minus argument of z2. And third one argument of z power n format கிடைக்குது அப்படினா this can be written as n into argument of z. N into argument of z, right? அடுத்த next the alternative form of cos theta plus I sin theta. இதோட alternative form என்னவா இருக்கும் அப்படினா alternative form is cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos 2k pi plus theta plus I sin 2k pi plus theta. The k belongs to r. This is the alternative form of cos theta plus I sin theta. So these are the properties of argument. Next we have to see the properties of complex numbers. In polar form. So what is the first property, sir? So first property is z is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. What is z inverse, sir? How to prove z inverse? Z inverse equal to 1 divided by r into cos theta minus I sin theta. This is the first property. How to prove this one? Proof. So z is known. So z inverse means 1 divided by z. So 1 divided by z value r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So this is a rectangular, this is polar form. In rectangular format, this is real part, this is imaginary part. So when this format is you have to write this number in standard form. It is rectangular form. No, we have to multiply in numerator and denominator by the conjugate of this part. So the conjugate of this part is cos theta minus I sin theta divided by cos theta minus I sin theta. which is equal to 1 by r into cos theta minus I sin theta divided by denominator a plus b into a minus b. In complex number a plus b into a minus b na formula a squared plus b squared. So cos squared theta plus sin squared theta. So this value is equal to 1. So this implies 1 divided by r into cos theta minus I sin theta. Cos theta minus I sin theta. This is result inverse. This is property 1. Property 1 of the polar form. Right. On the next property 2. Property 2 is Z1 be any complex number. So R1 into cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1. Or the next Z2 is equal to R2 into cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2. Z1 two complex number. This property is product value. Z1 into Z2. You have to prove Z1 into Z2 is equal to R1 R2 into cos theta 1 plus theta 2 plus I sin theta 1 plus theta 2. You have to prove this one. You have proof for answer. How to prove this one? So proof. How to prove this one? Z1 and Z2 two complex numbers are given. So we have to multiply the two complex numbers. Z1 into Z2. Z1 is R1 into cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1. Z2 is R2 into cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2. So this is equal to, multiplying this one, we get R1 R2. These two are in complex format. How to multiply the complex number? So first you have to calculate the real part. How to real into real, imaginary into imaginary. We get a real part. So real into real, cos theta 1 into cos theta 2. Okay. Sin. So get the imaginary part sign. Both are same sign of minus. Imaginary into imaginary is sin theta 1, sin theta 2. So real part over. Next plus I into imaginary part. Real into imaginary into real. So for cos theta 1, sin theta 2, cos theta 1, sin theta 2 plus sin theta 1, sin theta 1, cos theta 2. Right. So it is equal to R1 R2. Already you have studied in the 11th standard. This is which formula explanation? Cos of A plus B explanation. Cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Right. This format explanation is sin of A plus B. Sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So this is sin A plus B formula. So that's all. We get the proof. What is modulus? What is modulus of Z1 into Z2 Z? Modulus means this part is R1 R2. R1 into R2 is called the modulus value for the complex number Z1 into Z2. What is argument of Z1 into Z2? Argument of Z1 into Z2. What is the theta value? Theta 1 plus theta 2. So theta 1 means what? Theta 1 means argument of the first complex number. That is argument of Z1 plus theta 2 is the argument of the second complex number. This is argument of Z2. This is the proof for proof for z1 into z2, we get the magnitude or modulus value and also argument value. Last property பார்த்தனா multiplicationல பார்த்தோம். இந்த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி எதுல பார்க்க போறோம்? டிவிஷன்ல. டிவிஷன்ல பார்க்கறப்போ இந்த பிளஸ் வர இடத்துல எல்லாம் என்ன வரும்? நமக்கு மைனஸ் வரும். θ1 minus θ2, θ1 minus θ2 ன்னு கொடுக்கறோம். ரைட். இதோட ப்ரூஃப் வர. இதோட ப்ரூஃப் நமக்கு என்ன சொல்லணும்? z1 by z2 வேணும். z1 வந்து r1 into cos θ1 plus I sin θ1 divided by z2 அப்படிங்கிறது r2 into cos θ2 plus I sin θ2 r1 divided by r2 இதுல அந்த பக்கம் ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணோம்னா cos θ1 plus I sin θ1 divided by cos θ2 plus I sin θ2. It is not a standard form, rectangular form. So we have to multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. What is the conjugate? Conjugate is cos θ2 minus I sin θ2. Right. So after multiplication, r1 divided by r2, you know the previous format. So the previous format is cos A cos B. The real part is cos θ1 cos θ2. Signs are different sign of plus sin θ1 sin θ2. So real part over. Next plus I into imaginary part is negative over. So இது first எழுதிக்கலாம் sin θ1 into cos θ2 minus cos θ1 into sin θ2 over imaginary part over divided by a plus b into a minus b. So a squared plus b squared தான். So cos squared θ2 plus sin squared θ2. You know value of this one is 1. So this implies z1 by z2 is equal to r1 divided by r2. Formula for this one is cos of a minus b. So θ1 minus θ2 plus I into formula for this part is sin of a minus b. That is θ1 minus θ2. This is a division formula. This is a division property. So z1 divided by z2. What is modulus of? Modulus of z1 is divided by z2. Magnitude means you have to write this part only. This is a magnitude value. This is a magnitude. And next argument of z1 divided by z2. Argument means this is the argument, that is θ1 minus θ2. θ1 means argument of z1 minus θ2 means argument of z2. This is the proof for the division property of polar form.